I am Charles Pattigill. I'm coordinator for the Bachelor of Arts degree at the University of Pretoria. I would like to welcome you to us. Today I would like to talk a bit about the Bachelor of Arts degree. Students often ask me, what are the requirements to be able to apply for the Bachelor of Arts degree? The requirements are a APS of 30, excluding life orientation from the calculation, and a score of 5 or C for English First Language or English First Additional Language. The next question students often ask me is, what is the difference between fundamental, elective and core modules? All students who register for the Bachelor of Arts degree are required to complete fundamental modules in their first year of study. The fundamental modules they have to take is the UPO 101 course. This is a non-credit bearing course but introduces you to the university and its facilities and will orientate you with regard to academic study at the university. In addition to this, all students have to complete the Academic Information Management module. When they have registered, students will write a test, and this will channel them either to the AIM 101 module, which runs in the first semester and is 6 credits, or alternatively they will have to do the AIM 111 and 121 modules, which runs over the course of the year and is 8 credits. In addition to the Academic Information Management modules which students have to take, they have to have at least 12 credits of academic literacy. Depending on your mark in English, you will either do the ALL modules over the course of the year, which tally up to 12 credits, or you will choose a language of 12 credits. That's a language module for one semester. This then concludes the fundamental modules which all students have to complete in order to be able to graduate with a Bachelor of Arts degree. I would now like to talk about core and elective modules. At this stage, you really do not need to worry about which modules would become your core modules. The disciplines you take through to your third year of study will become your core modules. In all other cases, the disciplines and the modules related to them which you take are your electives. I would now like to talk about the structure of the degree besides the fundamental modules. For the Bachelor of Arts degree, at first year level, you have to take 4 full disciplines. That means a discipline or a subject over the course of a year and a semester of one other discipline. So that gives you a structure of 4.5 disciplines at first year level. When you proceed to your second year of study, you continue with 3 disciplines. That means that you drop one of those full disciplines you took at first year level. The same applies when you proceed to your third year of study. You take 2 disciplines. This then concludes the structure of the Bachelor of Arts degree. The next question I get from students relates to the credit load for the degree. At first year level in the Faculty of Arts, the credit load for each semester is usually 12. That 12 refers to notional hours with regard to study. It actually tallies out to 120 hours over the course of the semester, and if you divide it by 14 weeks and 5 weekdays, that means that you have to on average spend about 8.5 hours a week on that particular discipline in each semester. That shows you that your selection of modules actually means that we will occupy you a full working week if you take the 4.5 disciplines as a point of reference. The next question I often get with regard to choices from students is which module will be, or discipline will be, the best for me to take. I cannot help you decide there. What I can do is I can advise you. What I would like you to do is to look at the department's web pages, as well as to go online and do your own research with regard to the different disciplines you can choose from. In the Faculty of Arts, for the Bachelor of Arts degree, you can take languages, you can take social sciences, you can take modules from the professional sciences, and you can take some of the modules from the arts, as well as the humanities. You therefore really have a very broad choice. And I think the strength of the Bachelor of Arts degree lies in the choice and the combinations that you can make in this regard. That will give you a uniquely tailored degree, which I believe will speak to your particular strengths and your interests. The final question I receive from students is, what can I do with a Bachelor of Arts degree? The key factor in the Bachelor of Arts degree is to broaden your scope of understanding of the world in which we live. We do live in a rapidly changing world, and that requires dexterity, it requires flexibility. And I think that the broad-based background you get from a Bachelor of Arts degree places you well to meet these particular challenges. Another key aspect with regard to the Bachelor of Arts degree is that we endeavour to improve your communication skills, therefore with other people, and also to sharpen your critical thinking skills. And it is these skills, the reflection that you get from studying courses dealing with societies and change in the world, that can stand you in good stead to meet the challenges of the future. I wish all of you well with your studies at the University of Pretoria.